We are back again with another channel growth update. That's what I'm going to call it. Today I'm doing it with Nolan because Nolan was sleeping, and just when I turned on the camera, he woke up. So we just have to do this video together, baby. Okay? Yeah. So we are back again with another video, another interesting video, another channel growth video. The last one, it's like you people don't really care to know what these YouTube streets are like, because it's not easy. So hi guys, my name is Faith. For those who are new here, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Yeah, what do I say? If you've not subscribed yet, kindly subscribe to this channel and share our wonderful content. Okay? Yeah, kindly subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. I have a lot of videos with so many views, as in the views are more than my subscribers. And I'm wondering, where are you guys watching and you're not subscribing? Kindly subscribe to my channel and enjoy these videos while supporting me as well. Okay? Because you subscribing, you commenting, and you liking my videos is really supporting my channel, and it will help this channel grow a lot. Okay? So let's dive into today's video. Today we are talking about channel growth. We said we are going to document this channel growth until monetization. Okay? And the last time we did, that was like a week ago, we did a video when we were checking on our channel. We were at 159 subscribers, and our watch hour was around 400 and something. I don't know if it was 415, I'm not sure, but it was 400, and the subscribers were around 159. So this is a week later, and I'm about to share where we are at. I'm looking at my dashboard, my YouTube studio dashboard. That's where I'm looking at. That's where I'm checking this thing, and it is what do I say? It does not give you motivation. Okay, it is not giving me motivation to keep posting and recording these videos. But then again, it is about my growth, my channel growth. So I still have to push myself. I still have to keep going no matter what. Because tell me why a week later we've only had 9 subscribers added to our channel. Is it 9? We were at 159, and today, as I'm looking at it right now, it is 168. It is 168 subscribers. It is one thing, because I have videos. Let me check this video. I have a video that has 207. That video was posted when? 3rd March. And today is 5th. Yes, today is 5th or 6th. I don't know. Today is 5th. So, I have a video that was published 3rd March, and it has 200 views. And these 200 views, my subscribers are not even up to 200. So there are people who are watching the video and not subscribing. I have a video with 414 views, and these are people who are watching and not subscribing. Kindly, please subscribe to my channel. Subscribe to my channel. Kindly support me. Okay? So according to my dashboard, I am at 168 subscribers, and my watch hour, let me check. my watch hour it is at 510. So 510 public watch hour, and what do I say, 168 subscribers. And last time I was also telling you about the public short views that you can monetize with, and it was at 3.5k I think, and today it's at 4.1k. So kindly subscribe to my channel. And I forgot to tell you something else. You see this public watch hour. No, this one I told you it was for the last 365 days. So you need to have, for you to be monetized, you need to have that 1000 subscribers and 4000 watch hour, 4000 public watch hours in the last 365 days, as in the last 1 year. So let's say you started your channel in December, and you get to December with 3000 public watch hours. That means another year is starting and you've not reached the 4000 that is required for you to be monetized. So it means when they get to that point, they're going to subtract some of your watch hour, and they'll keep subtracting every other month until you reach the 4000. You see, it is like it is a fight. It is a fight that you have to keep pushing yourself to get there. So kindly guys, watch my videos, comment on the videos, like the videos, subscribe to my channel. And when the YouTube algorithm sees that people are commenting on my videos, people are liking my videos, people are watching my videos from beginning to the end, and people are subscribing, if they see that my subscribers are actually watching my videos, they are going to push my videos to a larger audience. Okay, so please, kindly I am asking today these numbers are not very are not giving me a lot of psych. Okay, but still, it is not that does not mean that I am giving up. No, I'll keep going. Just that I know that you realized in the past 1 week I stopped uploading every other day. This is the reason. The reason is not even because of the numbers. This is the reason. I realized, you see, for you to post every day, you need to record a lot of videos and edit a lot of videos, because I'm doing everything myself. I'm recording myself, I'm editing myself. Okay, so you need to record a lot of videos, you need to edit a lot of videos, and I still have kids. Me being a YouTuber does not stop me from being a mother, does not take the mother aspect out of my life. No, I am still a mother, I am still a wife, so I still have responsibilities. So I looked at my schedule, I looked at how things were going, and I decided to be posting 3 times in a week. But every other day that I'm not posting a long form video, I am posting a short. Okay, so if I post a video on Monday, a long form video on Monday, on Tuesday I'll post a short, on Wednesday a long form video, on Thursday a short, and then Friday another long form video, and then on Saturday maybe I can do a live. Okay, and then Sunday is just the day that I just want to go to church, worship, rest, and then we start again on Monday. Okay, so that is what I decided to be doing. I decided not to be putting long form videos every other day, because if I'm doing that, sometimes I'm just going to be giving you videos, just random videos, so that I have something on the app. Okay, but I decided to just give myself time, concentrate on my babies, as at the same time I concentrate on building my channel. So we're going to be uploading long form videos on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, and we're going to be uploading shorts on Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. We're going to be doing a live anytime that, because Saturday I can do a live, because Saturday I have help. My husband is usually at home, and my sister, sometimes she goes to school, sometimes she's at home, so I have help, so I can do a live, which is not as complicated as shooting a video, editing a video, because a live you don't have to even edit it. it's live. Okay, yeah. So I hope you guys keep supporting me. Do not give up. Do not give up on me. Do not give up on me. And everyone that I was encouraging to start a YouTube channel, don't look at my numbers. Don't look at where I am and be discouraged. No, no. This is my journey, and your journey does not necessarily mean it's going to be as my journey. No, 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 no. Your journey is unique. You might even be monetized in a month. So don't be discouraged by my numbers. These are my numbers, and I don't know what I'm doing wrong. I still don't know what I'm doing wrong, because I am learning on the job, like I do with parenting. I am learning on the job. I am learning as I go. Yeah, as I go, I'm going to grow. Things are going to change. You're going to see my content is different. You're going to see my video editing skills are different. They are better. But for now, we are here, and as much as the numbers are not giving me psych, I have to give myself that psych and keep going, because I know I need this. I need this. It keeps me going. It really keeps me going, because when I wake up in the morning and I think today I have to just take care of kids. That was me before, but now I wake up, I know I have to be there for my children, but I also need to record videos. I also need to edit videos. No, and then before I changed my schedule, before I changed how I'm going to be uploading, the days I'm going to be uploading. When I was uploading every other day, I was not sleeping. And you know, lack of sleep is bad. It's bad. I was having headaches. My body was just aching all the time. So I decided, for my own good, it's okay. It's okay to want the channel to grow, but you cannot grow overnight, you know. It's okay to want it to grow, but it's also good to take care of myself. To take care of my family, and not forget that I am a mom, I am a wife. Okay? Yeah. So that is it for today. What else did I learn this week that I wanted to share? That one, the one for public watch hour, the one I told you that they will start deducting. They will be subtracting some of your watch hours when you get to 365 days and you've not achieved the 4,000. That one I learned in the course of this week. I did not know that one. Even the public short views, I did not tell you that you're supposed to get, if you're being monetized with the views, you are supposed to get the 10 million public short views in the last 90 days. So if the 90 days, if you get to 90 days and you've not achieved the 10 million, I think they'll also start deducting. I don't know. But what I know is that it should be the last 90 days. That's what I can see here. So you're going to be getting videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Those are long form videos at 2 p.m. 2 p.m. is when I'm going to be uploading my videos. And what else? No, that 2 p.m. is when I'm going to be premiering my videos. On Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, my videos will be premiering at 2 p.m. Yeah, 2 p.m. 1400 hours, 2 p.m. And on Tuesday, Thursday, I'm going to be uploading shorts. Okay, I'll also be uploading shorts at the same time at 2 p.m. Okay, and then on Saturday we'll be going live. We can go live in the morning, we can go live in the afternoon. Mostly maybe we'll just be going live while cooking or cleaning, but we'll be going live on Saturdays. Okay? Yeah. For now, I'm just happy to be here. I'm happy to still be pushing myself. no matter what the numbers are saying. I know it will get to a point where YouTube will start pushing my videos to many people and I'll get the views. But for now, let us enjoy where we are at, but keep pushing ourselves because 168. And tell me why I woke up in the morning today and I was at 170. Why are you people subscribing and then unsubscribing? I don't get it. What is wrong with the content? Maybe you can share with me something that I'm doing wrong and I will change. Because I don't get why someone will subscribe and then unsubscribe. You guys tell me if there's something I'm doing wrong, because I woke up asking myself the same thing. When I woke up and found that it had gone to 168 again, I was like, what am I doing wrong? Maybe I should check on myself, check on my videos and see what I'm doing wrong, because I don't know. I don't get it. Please, when you subscribe, do not unsubscribe. Do not unsubscribe, please. Just support my content. Just support my channel. Watch the videos. And any video that you watch and you feel like I could do something better or I should have done something differently to make the video better, kindly share with me. Like I said, I am learning. I am learning. It is not like I've been on YouTube for long. So share with me and yeah, we'll change. We'll change and grow on the way. Yeah, today that was the only update that I had for today, and I was not even feeling like shooting this video because I felt like, what am I going to be telling people, because it seems like we are not moving forward. Okay, at least we got nine subscribers in the past 1 week, but someone might feel like we are stagnant because there are people who tell you, I got 1,000 views within 30 days. I got within 8 days. I got 1,000 subscribers. So someone watching my video might feel like it is not worth sharing because it seems like that I am stagnant. I'm not moving forward. But I said, let me just shoot it because, again, I have to be accountable because I said I was going to be doing these videos every other week. So I have to be accountable for what for what I said I will do. So I have to do it. Yeah, and that was it for this video. That was it for our channel growth in the past 1 week. Yeah, and for now, we'll say, me and my baby, me and Nolan will say, for now we'll say bye-bye. Say bye-bye, my love. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye, and we'll see you on our next interesting video. We love you guys, and Jesus loves you more. Bye-bye. Mwah.